Hey, it's Carolyn Grimm with Accounting How To. Today I want to talk about the three areas of QuickBooks that cause the most headaches, and more importantly, how to fix those things. So if I'm doing a consulting job for a client, I'm going to look at these three areas to try to figure out where the problems are coming from that client is having. So the first thing is the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts gives the structure to the accounting system. So those are all of the accounts that we're going to use to categorize things. They're the buckets that we're going to sort things into. The second place I'm going to go look is the products and services list, because if things aren't set up correctly there, it's going to flow into invoices, it's going to flow into the financial statements, and it's going to get things messed up pretty quickly. The third headache area, and this is the biggest one, is the banking function. You've got all those transactions feeding in from your bank. If you've got rules set up, they're automatically getting assigned. And this is where a lot of the problems come from, either not understanding how it works or it's not set up well to make your life easier. So because those are three complicated areas, I'm going to do a separate video for each one. So follow along and we're going to see if we can cure those QuickBooks headaches. I will see you in the next video.